How to go live on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to go live on your Instagram application, first and foremost, tap open the Instagram app and log in using your credentials. Then on the top left corner, you will see your story option. Tap on it. Next up, click on camera option. And then you will see different options such as post, story, reel and live. Go to live. And then you can first of all choose who see your live video. It could either be everyone on your feed or your close friends that you have added. Once you tap on it and then click on this center button, in the countdown of 3, your live video will start. Once the live video is started, you can make different changes to your live video. It would include there are different features in the live video. Some of them are beautifying, inverting the camera, turning on the video option. You can also add a moderator, turn off commenting, or turn off the requests as well. To see if there are any requests, you can tap on this button which is next to the comment box, as well as you can invite people to join. Additionally, you can just turn off your video and audio as well. After all this is done, you can close your live video and make the changes or add it to your live archive as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.